Hi, I'm DIYte, and today I'm going to show you how to clean the filters in an air conditioning unit. I don't have an air conditioning unit at home, but I'm on holiday this week and I've been really frustrated because I've had no DIY to do. So imagine how relieved I was a couple of mornings ago when I woke up to find water coming down the wall from this unit, slightly scarily down to the plug socket below. It was immediately obvious to me what the problem was. The air conditioning unit had a really clogged up filter. Really simple thing to fix, so I'm going to show you now how to do it on the other air conditioning unit we've got upstairs. Okay, it's really straightforward. We've got a screwdriver to take the cover off the unit with, and also I've got some AAA batteries, because the batteries in the remote control of the air conditioning unit also needed changing. You know when this is the case because the LCD screen becomes quite faint, as this one had before I changed these batteries. And you also need a shower head or something similar to wash the filter with. So this is the air conditioning unit in the other room in the apartment we're staying in. It's a Daikin air conditioning unit. You can see immediately by opening the cover just how clogged the air filters are. I'll show you just how this becomes even more obvious when I actually come to washing the filter, which I'll do in a minute. So the filter on the top of the unit comes off really easily just by raising it up and lifting it out of its hinges. We'll put that down and give that a clean itself in a minute. Okay, there's two things you can do now. You can simply take these two filters out and give them a good hosing down. You can also, for a deeper clean, remove these three screws here and take the entire front off the unit. I wouldn't advise doing this unless you know where the electrics are and how to isolate them, but we'll have a look at all that in a minute. Okay, I'm going to take the first filter out. It lifts out very easily. Yuck, look at that. Okay, I've got the filter out now and I'm going to turn on the tap in the bath and give it a good hosing down. You can see the mud and dirt flying out of the filter. Check out the difference between those two filters. Time to clean the second one. So easy to do, you can just see the dust washing out. Okay, all done. I'm waiting for those filters to dry, and with the electrics safely switched off, I'm going to show you how you can also clean the cover of the air conditioning unit as well. The whole thing removes really easily. So if you're cleaning one, you might as well clean the other while you're at it. This just needs a little bit more care. You have to leave it up from underneath once you've removed the three screws. Making sure not to interfere with the two louvered panels as you do it. Here we go, it's very hard to film this with one hand on a mobile phone. There we go. That's the panel removed, revealing a very dusty air conditioning unit behind it. No electrics on here. So we're just going to give this the same attention. Good spray in the shower to get all the dust off it. Quick spray with some multi-surface cleaner I found in the cupboard. Now I'm going to give it the same treatment as I did the filters. and give the vents themselves, I don't know what these are called, louver covers, or the things that basically deflect the air conditioning around the room by rotating. I'm just going to give them a quick clean as well. There's no hoover in this house for some reason, so as best I can with a brush, I'm just getting rid of all the dust from around the unit as well. Invest in a Henry, guys, you'll never regret it. I think it must be a Spanish thing. Not hoovering, just sweeping up all the time. Right. So the dust flying off. So actually it's quite a useful job taking the cover off if you can bear to do it. Okay. I'm also going to give the access panel a quick blast with the shower head in the same way. Okay, so the cover is now dry, so I'm going to very gently put it back on. It's very hard to do this with one hand. Unfortunately, I haven't got my normal video camera with me, so I'm just going to break off filming here just to seat the two parts on the top back on. Put the 3 screws back into place. Nearly done now, just got to slot in the filters. That's one in. There we go, those are back in. Now it's just a question of replacing the access panel, which is really easy to put back on. You just locate the hinges in position, like so. And then just gently press it down. Quick check to make sure it's working. Feel that breeze after doing all that work in quite hot conditions. Last but not least, if you notice that the screen is going a bit faint on your remote control, chances are you need to replace the batteries. Do this really easily by sliding the cover off the bottom of the remote. It takes 2 AAA batteries. Replacing those will bring it back to full working order again. So I really hope you found this video useful. I'll be back in the UK next week posting weekly videos. I'd really like to know what you're up to, so in the comments feed below my videos let me know what problems you're encountering and what I can help you with. And you can keep up to date with all my videos by subscribing to my channel.